we are in Kyoto and today we have a little challenge. So each of us is gonna put 1000 yen on the table. And then we have these disposable cameras, film cameras with 27 shots, no settings. None of us has ever used this camera, but we're gonna take those 27 frames and then choose our favorite ones. And then you, the people, will decide which of the frames is, or the shots is the best. But we will not tell you which shot is by whom. And then the winner takes the 3,000 yen. So let's do this. Instructions on in Japanese. That's nice. What is this for?
So yeah, you have to figure out what it says for. What, 2 and 4? 2 is.
What was the sound? I think it is flash as well. Look, there is a light.
No, you have to advance the film.
There is a light.
Oh shit.
I think that's a flash.
Wait, but there is like steps. So you have 1 is the advance the film, I believe here.
Yeah.
But we can ask someone.
It doesn't shoot.
Did you advance it?
But how far should I advance?
Until it's recorded. I'll try to follow the steps. So the first one is. Yeah, it stops here. It stops here now.
Okay, now. Yeah. Oh, I did it.
Yeah.
Okay,
1,
let's roll.
2, the flash.
But my flash doesn't make the sound.
3. I love this thing.
I got my last shot. We got back a little bit too late yesterday, so we couldn't develop the film rolls, but we're going to do that right now.
It's not an intro actually, it's fake.
It's a lie. We're going to pick them up. They already developed. I forgot to shoot that part, so let's go and see. So we have our images developed, and now comes the hard part of choosing the best one. And you will choose the best out of those 3. After choosing our favorite images, we asked the people on Instagram which of these 3 pictures do you like the most. And after the people have spoken, they decided that this picture deserves the 3rd place. Then they placed this one on the 2nd. And the 1st place went to this one with a staggering 23 votes. Yep. Well, we had a lot of fun shooting with these disposable cameras, and we would encourage you to try it as well. And remember, the best way to make your images look like film is to shoot film. I'll see you next time.